Hello everyone, welcome to Nepal Online School. यो भिडियोमा हामी CMAT exam preparation को idiom मा nervous and anger related idiomatic expression हरु हेर्दै छौं है। nervous लाई कुन idiomatic expression ले जनाउँछ र anger लाई कुन idiomatic expression ले जनाउँछ भन्ने कुरा हेर्छौं जुन चाहिँ important छ है त। Okay, so the first one is blowing hot and cold. Blowing hot and cold. So blowing hot and cold भनेको के हो त भन्दाखेरि if someone is in confused state, afraid or nervous. If someone is afraid or simply nervous, we say blowing hot and cold. अब मैले यसको तपाईलाई एक्जाम्पल दिएर बुझाइन, सेन्टेन्स दिएर बुझाइन किनकि हामीलाई सेन्टेन्स चाहिँदैन CMAT मा। जस्ट हामीलाई यसको मिनिङ, यसले भन्न खोजेको मिनिङ चाहिन्छ। द्याट्स व्हाई आई विल जस्ट से यसको मिनिङहरु मात्रै है। ओके, नेक्स्ट वान इज सिट अन द फेन्स। सिट अन द फेन्स। सो फेन्स भनेको चाहिँ बार हैन, केही त्यो प्रोपर्टीहरुमा लगाएको बार हुन्छ नि, त्यसमा बस्नु भनेर भनेको छ। सो सिट on the fence means avoid making decision. So you are confused and you are avoiding to make decision. यसलाई हामीले sit on the fence भनेर भन्छौं। sit on the fence भनेर भन्छौं। Okay, next one, in a fog. In a fog. Okay, so again, in a fog means preoccupied. So if you are preoccupied with something, you do not pay attention, right? So not paying attention or simply confused भनेको चाहिँ in a fog भनेर भनेको। Okay, next one, important idiom है, topsy-turvy. Topsy-turvy. So topsy-turvy means a state of confusion है। यो चाहिँ confusion को state लाई नै topsy-turvy भनेर भनिन्छ। So we have experienced this topsy-turvy situation before भनेर भन्न सकियो। We have experienced this topsy-turvy situation before. Okay, next, at sea or lost in the cloud, or lost in the cloud. Okay, at sea or lost in the cloud भनेको के हो त भन्दाखेरि again perplexed. Perplexed means extremely puzzled भनेर भनेको है। So confused नै भनेको at sea or lost in the cloud को meaning. Next one, at 6 and 7. धेरै चोटी सोधेको पनि छ, युज पनि डेली लाइफमा हुन्छ है। So at 6 and 7 means state of confusion or disarray. State of confusion or disarray is at 6 and 7. Okay, I don't know where I put my books. It's at 6 and 7 भनेर भन्न सकिन्छ। Next, okay, next is in a fix, in a quandary, or in a muddle, in a fix, in a quandary, or in a muddle. यो भनेको के हो त भन्दाखेरि if you are in dilemma, you can say in a fix, in a quandary, or in a muddle. Simply dilemma means confusion. So her thoughts were in a muddle. When I proposed her thoughts were in muddle. Her thoughts were in quandary भनेर भन्न मिल्छ। Okay, next one, at one's wit's end. So at one's wit's end means completely puzzled. So completely puzzled means perplexed, right? Puzzled boy. Okay, next one, alphabet soup. Alphabet soup धेरै चोटी use भएको idiom है। alphabet soup. Alphabet soup means confusing language or incomprehensible. जसलाई comprehend गर्न सकिदैन, बुझ्न सकिदैन, त्यसलाई अल्फाबेट सुप भनेर भनिन्छ यो चाहिँ मेनली धेरै तपाईले एब्रिभिएसनहरु युज गर्नुभयो भनेदेखि त्यसलाई चाहिँ अल्फाबेट सुप भनेर भनिन्छ इन कम्प्रिहेन्सिबल or confusing language or confusing language. So this is alphabet soup. Okay, next one. Get or have one's wires crushed. One's wires crushed. So have one's wires crushed or get one's wires crushed भनेको के हो त भन्दाखेरि confused. Confused because of what? Because each person has different idea. Because each person has different idea. So if you fail to understand someone, you can say get one's wires crushed. Okay, different idea. So यो भयो कि त कन्फ्युजन को लागि कन्फ्युजन को लागि idiomatic expression. Okay, let's see. Blowing hot and cold. Sit on the fence in a fog. Topsy-turvy at sea. Lost in the cloud. At sixes and sevens. In a fix, in a quandary, in a muddle. At one's wit's end. Alphabet soup. Get one's wires crushed. That's okay. So these are the idioms for what? For confusion. So यहाँ चाहिँ confusion. Okay. Confusion को लागि. Okay. Next is anger. Anger. So अब तपाईलाई रिस उठ्छ हैन रिसको लागि के हामीले युज गर्न सक्छौं भन्ने कुरा हामी अब हेर्छौं. So first one is up in arms. First one is up in arms. So up in arms means what? If you are very angry about something, you can say up in arms भनेर भन्न सकिन्छ. So arms भनेको चाहिँ हात हतियार भन्ने कुरा भयो. हात हतियार उठाउनु भनेर बुझियो. But के त एक्ज्याक्टली त्यो पनि हैन. Up in arms भनेको चाहिँ if you are extremely angry about something, you can use up in arms. Okay. Next one is bite someone's head off. Bite someone's head off. Okay. So bite someone's head off भनेको के होला त कसैको टाउको टोक्ने भनेर भनेको त होइन है. So you are extremely what? Again, bite someone's head off means you are extremely angry. Extremely angry about something. So you can say his mother nearly beat his head off when he got his new shoes dirty भनेर भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ. यसको म लेख्छु है त. Okay. His mother nearly beat his head off when he got his new shoes dirty. नयाँ जुत्ता फोहोर बनाएको भएर उसको आमा चाहिँ एकदमै रिसाउनु भयो भन्ने कुरा छ. ओके dirty भन्ने कुरा भयो. ठीक छ. ओके ल. Next one, hit the roof. Next is hit the roof. Okay, hit the roof means again angry. Jastै Ram's parents are going to hit the roof when they see the damage he has done to their cars. Okay, let me write this too. Ram's parents are going to hit the roof when they see the damage he has done to their car. भनेर भन्न सक्यो. ठीक छ. यसलाई एकचोटि हेर्नुस् है. Okay, hit the roof. Beat his head off. अब तपाईले यही नै सेन्टेन्समा अरु इडियम पनि राख्न सक्नुहुन्छ. हेर्नुस् है. यो माथिको सेन्टेन्समा राखौं. His mother is going to hit the roof when he got his new shoes dirty. है सेम मिनिङ आउँछ यही तपाईले एउटा एक्जाम्पलबाट नै बुझ्न सक्नुहुन्छ है ओके नेक्स्ट इज get one's goat. Get one's goat. Get one's goat also means to be angry. Next is in a huff. In a huff भन्ने कुरा छ and another at daggers drawn. At daggers drawn. So dagger भनेको के हो त छुरा जुन त्यो चक्कु जस्तो हुन्छ नि हैन so that is dagger. So at daggers drawn भन्ने कुरा छ so at daggers drawn means almost ready to fight. Almost ready to fight. If someone is almost ready to fight you can say at daggers drawn भनेर भन्न सकिन्छ. The two schools have been at daggers drawn for months. The two schools have been at daggers drawn for months. Next is mad at. I am mad at him. Okay. Or next is mad as a hatter. As mad as a hatter. As mad as a hatter. And next is black mood. Next is black mood भनेर पनि भन्न सकिन्छ. I am in black mood today भनेर भन्नुभयो भनेदेखि I am extremely angry भनेर भन्न सकियो है even depressed भनेर पनि भन्न सकियो. Okay. So next is blow a fuse. Blow a fuse. So blow a fuse means you suddenly lose your temper. जस्तै फ्युज जाने suddenly हुन्छ नि हैन घरको फ्युज जाने हो so you suddenly lose your temper and become very angry. So blow a fuse भन्ने कुरा भयो. Okay, next is eat someone alive. Eat someone alive. So नेपालीमा पनि म तँलाई काचै खाइदिन्छु भनेर भनिन्छ नि हैन हो. So when someone annoys you and like irritates you तपाईले यो कुरा लेख्न सक्नुहुन्छ eat someone alive भनेर. ठीक छ okay. Next is get in someone's hair. Get in someone's hair. So हैन कोहीको चाहिँ कपालमा घुस्ने भनेर भनेको त होइन है अरूको कुरालाई चाहिँ मा चाहिँ छेडखानी गरेर चाहिँ एनोय गर्नेलाई get in someone's hair भनेर भनिन्छ. ठीक छ अर्को तपाईलाई थाहा छ mind your own business भनेर भनिन्छ. So mind your own business तपाईले पहिला पनि सुन्नु भएको होला mind your own business. Okay यो चाहिँ अलिकति rude मानिन्छ mind your own business भनेर भन्दाखेरि. ठीक छ okay. Next see red है यो हामी कलरमा पनि हामीले पढेका छौं idiom with कलरमा रेडमा है see red. So see if someone sees red they suddenly become very angry or annoyed. So कोही एकदमै रिसाएको छ annoyed छ भनेदेखि see red भनेर भनिन्छ. So हामीले see red भनेर भन्छ. Okay यसलाई एक्चुअली हेरौं up in arms bite someone's head off hit the roof get one's goat in a huff at daggers drawn mad at as mad as a hatter black mood blow a fuse eat someone alive get in someone's hair mind your own business see red. So यो भयो हाम्रो एङ्गर है एङ्ग्री रिसाउनेको इडियोमेटिक एक्सप्रेसनहरु. ल हामीले यो भिडियोमा दुईटा कुरा गर्यौं एउटा चाहिँ कन्फ्युजनको अर्को चाहिँ एङ्गरको है. ल यो CMAT एक्जाममा इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ र हामीले सबै पास्ट क्वेशनहरु पनि सल्भ गरेका छौं त्यो भिडियोहरु पनि हेर्न नबिर्सिनु होला है त. ओके सो थ्यांक यू सो मच फर वाचिङ. अन्टिल नेक्स्ट टाइम गुड बाइ. कीप लर्निङ. जय चन्द्र सूर्य. पीस.